I'm going to show you 5 ways to improve your basic line charts for time series data. Way 1. Line thickness. Thin lines are difficult to see when projected or printed. Set the weight of the line to at least 4 points. Way 2. Colors and symbols. Sometimes using color is better than using data symbols. Label each series directly or use a legend ordered by the highest N value. Way 3. Setting y-axis minimum and maximum values. You might notice here that the minimum y value is set to 0. This makes the variation in the data almost impossible to interpret. In this version, we've set the y minimum closer to the minimum value of the data, and here we get a much clearer picture of the variation. This is especially important for stock prices and unemployment metrics, which rarely have 0 values. Way 4. Labeling. The data points in this display are difficult to read. Label data points directly if there are 5 or less. Remove the y-axis if you label those data points. For larger time series, consider labeling the last point with its value to show the end result. And for months, use the full name or the standard abbreviations. Way 5. Scales. Avoid redundancies. Set the scale labels horizontally rather than at an angle or vertically. For dates with the same year, avoid using the year on every increment. Takeaways. Set line thickness to at least 4 points. Use contrasting colors for more than one data series. To show variation, set the minimum value of the y-axis to the minimum value of the data. Label data points directly if there are 5 or less values. And finally, avoid redundant information in your scale increments. Follow these guidelines and your line charts will be clear and easy to interpret.